You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of what is dubbed to be the capital of the North city in the Netherlands, largest city in the north of the Netherlands. Groningen is the Dutch pronunciation. If you cannot pronounce this, listen carefully. Groningen. You can say it more as Groningen, the English pronunciation, Groningen. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.